How to add a table in Microsoft Word. This presentation will guide you through various techniques for adding and formatting tables in Microsoft Word. Learn how to create tables from scratch, convert text to tables, and customize their appearance to meet your needs. Introduction to tables in Word. Organize data. Tables are a powerful tool for organizing and presenting information in a structured format. Enhance readability. They improve readability by separating data into rows and columns, making it easier to understand. Inserting a basic table. 1. Go to Insert tab. Locate the Insert tab at the top of the Word window. 2. Click Table. Within the Insert tab, click on the Table button. 3. Select Size. Hover over the grid to choose the number of rows and columns you need. Customizing table size and layout. 1. Resize rows/columns. Drag the row or column handles to adjust their size.
2.
Merge cells. Select cells and click Merge Cells to combine them. 3. Split cells. Use the Split Cells option to divide a cell into multiple cells. Converting text to a table.
1.
Select text. Highlight the text you want to convert. 2. Click Insert tab. Go to the Insert tab at the top. 3. Choose Convert Text to Table. Find this Convert Text to Table option in the Table group. Drawing a custom table. Draw table. Use the Draw Table tool from the Insert tab. Precise alignment. Click and drag to draw table borders and adjust cell sizes. Flexibility. This method offers great flexibility in creating unique table layouts. Formatting and styling tables. Borders and shading. Customize table borders, add shading, or apply different colors. Font styles. Change font size, color, alignment, and other text formatting. Table styles. Use predefined or custom table styles for a polished look. Conclusion and key takeaways. You've explored various techniques for creating and formatting tables in Microsoft Word. Experiment with these methods to organize your data and improve your document's presentation. Now you can efficiently manage and present your information within the familiar Microsoft Word environment.